Welcome. I created this channel as a safe space, a place where you can tap, breathe, and release stress when life feels overwhelming. Whether you're dealing with anxiety, tension, or the everyday pressures of life, you are not alone here. Each EFT session is designed with care to support your emotional balance, ease, and resilience. If this practice resonates with you, I invite you to subscribe and turn on notifications so a moment of calm is always here when you need it. Thank you for being here. It's always powerful to hear a genuine, personal account of how therapy has made a real difference in someone's life. So today, I want to share my story with you about EFT tapping. You know, sometimes we read about these therapies or we hear about their benefits in general terms, but experiencing it firsthand can be something else entirely. I had just become certified as a level 2 practitioner, and I was really excited about integrating this into my healing practice. I did know it was a valuable tool, and I have helped people with anxiety and stress. At this point, I just hadn't seen how transformative it could be until one night when it revealed itself to me in a way that I'll never forget. It was around 10 o'clock at night, and my husband and I were driving home, and out of nowhere, panic hit me. My heart was racing, my face felt hot, and the intensity of this feeling was something I had never experienced before. Anxiety didn't even seem to cover it. I had never had a panic attack, but in that moment, I knew without a doubt that this was exactly what was happening. I shared what I was feeling with my husband. He was concerned, but also a little bewildered. "I'm right here," he said. "We're in a car, and the doors are locked." I understood his perspective. He didn't know how to help me. But at the same time, I was experiencing something completely foreign. Something that left me feeling helpless and almost speechless. When we arrived home, he said, "Go do that tapping stuff you do." His tone was not uncaring. It was just his way of supporting me, and he didn't know what else to do. So I did. I didn't follow any sort of script. I didn't even overthink what to say. I simply tapped on points and spoke aloud exactly what I was feeling in that moment. The fear, the confusion, the panic, utter bewilderment. This is the beauty of tapping. By applying pressure on these specific acupressure points while voicing your emotions, you send signals to your nervous system that it's safe to calm down. You allow your body to release stuck energy while your mind acknowledges and processes the emotion. It's simple, so simple, yet profoundly effective. Surprisingly, by the third round of tapping, something had shifted within me. The image of my dad popped into mind, and I experienced an instant knowing, something deep and intuitive that's hard to describe. My dad had passed away the year before, after a long battle with COPD. He had always been my protector, the one who checked the doors at night and made sure I felt safe in the world. And in that moment, I realized that my sense of safety had always been rooted in him. Since his passing, I had unconsciously been expecting my husband to fill that role. But while he is an amazing man, he's naturally laid back and trusting. That's just who he is. I, on the other hand, was almost compulsive about making sure the doors were locked at night, driven by my sense of needing security. It was in this moment that I realized I had been trying to transfer my feelings of security onto my husband. In less than 10 minutes, tapping helped me unravel the root of my panic. I understood why I was feeling such intense fear and helplessness, And for the first time, I was able to process it in a way that felt safe and supported. That night, tapping revealed itself to me not just as a tool that I can offer to my clients, but as a genuinely transformative healing modality. It works because it addresses both the emotional and the physical aspects of distress. By tapping on energy meridian points while acknowledging what you're feeling, you calm the amygdala, reduce your body's fight or flight, and allow emotions to be released safely. This is why tapping has become a powerful tool for me. And sometimes, like in my case, it even helps uncover deep layers, those hidden roots of an emotion or pattern we didn't even know was there. That night changed the way I viewed tapping forever. What began as a service I offered to clients became something I knew from personal experience could transform lives in minutes. EFT is not just a technique, it's a gift, a bridge between the mind and the body, and a path to emotional freedom. If you haven't tried tapping yet, I encourage you to give it a chance and see what it can do for you. Sometimes the simplest tools can bring the most profound relief and clarity. Thank you for being here and listening to my story. And be sure to check out my channel for other tapping and meditation resources. Be well.